Coffee time. Tafadhali. How is the veg biryani?
Number one.
Number one.
Number one.
Samosa chaat. How was the food?
Yo, I enjoy it.
What you had?
What I ate? Oh, I ate rice. Yeah.
It's called biryani in India.
What do you call it?
Biryani.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, but it's very nice.
Nice, eh?
Very nice.
So we're leaving. Let's smoke the cigarette. Tafadhali, tell me something about Poland.
Poland is...
You're loving it?
yeah, I can say I love it, yeah.
The people are good here.
The people are good, but the problem they don't speak English.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Is it too difficult when people don't speak English?
Yeah, very difficult.
All right.
That's very difficult for me because I'm expecting them to speak English because English is world.
Yeah.
People in the world, there's supposed to speak English.
This is the park.
This is the practice.
So this is how you know how to get home. Hostel.
Of course.
You measure from here.
Of course.
Is it difficult to be in Poland from Zimbabwe where you are?
No, it's not difficult. I can say it's not difficult. As long as your documents are in order,
Right.
it's easy to get to Poland.
Right.
Very easy.